What's up, everybody? Just got out here to the garage. It is freezing cold. It's like less than 10 degrees out right now. So I'm gonna get my heater going, get some stuff set up. But while I'm doing that, for now, I'm gonna send you back to a couple days. Watch this video of me unboxing some stuff for the 240, and we'll get into it. Setting up the engine stand, getting the engine ready for all the new stuff that I got. But yeah, you all watch that. I'll be right back. Alright guys, just got done unwrapping everything. Let's go ahead and go through it and see all the fun stuff that I just got. Alright, so we're going to start off with a brand new OEM water pump from GM. Thing's heavy, man. Wasn't expecting to be that massive, but V8, guess it is. Alright, the next thing here, we have the fuel rail kit. It comes with 2 fuel rails, the lines, and all the hardware to mount it. I think I got this from a place called faststir.com off of eBay. It's only like 130 bucks for everything, so couldn't beat that. So the next thing we have are the bell housing bolts. I have no coarse thread bolts from like American cars. I only have the fine thread stuff from like Hondas, Toyotas, etc. So I had to order a set of these. Then we got our gaskets for the LS6 intake manifold, brand new OEM from GM. And we just got our standard oil filler cap, just mobile one. Thought it looked pretty cool. Wanted to keep it OEM, so got that. There was a bunch of different like shiny billet ones, but I like simple sometimes. I also got this power steering cap because my new reservoir didn't come with one, so got this. Next up, we got 2 brand new coils because 2 of them that I have on there are, one's broken and one's almost broken, so I just figured we replace both of them. Just OEM round coil. Then we got this nice little weld-on mass airflow card type holder to hold this brand new GM mass airflow sensor. So that'd be pretty cool. Kind of a clean look, and I ain't got to worry about getting the right size tubing and all that stuff. And then this right here is just the bracket for my radio. Nothing really special, just so I can keep a radio in there. And then we got a alternator, brand new. Yeah, definitely needed that. The description though, it showed the alternator was black with a black pulley, but obviously this is not black and does not have a black pulley. So, and last but not least, we have our manual tensioner for where the AC would go. This replaces that since I'm not running AC. Nice billet piece from ictbillet.com to match the rest of the kit that I have. Alright guys, so that's all the packages I have today, but I will be getting 4 other packages probably sometime next week. New Year's is on Monday, the day I'll be releasing this, so it'll definitely be on the next video. But I'm waiting on my transmission, my throttle body gasket, my intake manifold bolts, and I ordered like a new not center console, but radio bezel. It's cut for double din and has gauges and stuff, and it's pretty cool. So other than that, let's go outside and start putting this stuff on. Come on, let's go. Alright guys, now that you've seen all the new LS parts, let's go ahead and get this new engine stand together. Big bolt. I don't know if I have this. Of course, I didn't bring any tools home. Alright, so I don't have a socket for this. So, do a slight change of plans. Let's go ahead and get these exhaust manifolds off. I got the socket for it. I made easy work of that. All right. Well, that side's done. I need to get this dipstick tube off, and we can go to the other side. All right, guys. So my other camera went dead. I guess the 30 minutes I have on it was enough for it, but so I didn't get to record me taking off the rest of that way, the exhaust manifold the rest of the way off. So there it is, it's off. So it looks like we got 2 studs that are broken. Drill that one out. I should be able to get this one out with some heat and some vice grips. Other than that, clean this all off. It's getting pretty warm in here now. I should be able to start prepping the block for paint. It's got to get a little bit warmer though. So let's go ahead and move to the other side. I'm going to be recording now with the GoPro. So. Alright guys, I got it set up, but oil is going all over the floor. And I forgot, I got this drip pan underneath of it. I forgot to plug it in. I didn't think there was any oil left in it, but there is. Alright, so let's get all these off. One out. We're replacing all these exhaust studs or bolts with ARPs. Plan on ordering those probably just sometime next week. Yeah, really good luck with them. So go ahead and continue that with this motor. They're all off. Now let's get off. Let's take off these old mounts that I won't need anymore either. Size is this bad boy? Not a 15. That might be able to get it off. Get the big one. That nut is so rusted and deteriorating. Alright. Flip this thing over. Get this other mount off the other side.
Cincinnati's #1 hit music station, Kiss 107.1.
Get these coils off. Aren't these people texting me while I'm filming? Right now. Alright, put the valve covers off. Yeah, that sucker is dirty! Real dirty. Alright, we'll get her all flushed out. Running good again. But let me give you a look inside real quick so you can see how dirty this side. Look, it's been sitting for a while, obviously. You can see in there, see how dirty that is. Dirty oil. Don't worry, we'll get it cleaned out. And on this side, see how it's a little bit cleaner? Still dirty, but a little bit cleaner looking. But I guess that's common for this. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a wire brush to this stuff and get it all cleaned up. Well, I have no more batteries left. They're all dead. But we got all that cleaned up. Got it all taped up. Got to clean all that out. So on Tuesday, I'm going to grab some stuff from work. And we're going to get this cam in on Tuesday after work. But other than that, I got nothing. So have a great new year, and I hope you guys had a great Christmas as well. And I will see you next week.